This was a really fun project. The house was built 20 years ago. The clients contributed to the design process when the house was built. Fast forward 20 years later, just the design felt dated. Their taste changes and also how they function in the house changed. So we were just trying to come with some, ideas to make this, kitchen dining room space to feel a little bit more up to date, more modern. Something that it was very important to our clients was walnut elements. That was definitely something that we wanted to make sure that we incorporated. Something that we really like helping our clients through the design process is when these clients reached out, the main goal of the kitchen renovation was to be able to accommodate a wider fridge. Okay, then when we sit down with the client and we explain to them what it takes, to achieve the vision, the design that they want, and we're able to come up with a plan, then, it turned out that we end up, redesigning the kitchen island, offering more storage space and so on. So it's just this kind of, educational process that we really love, and trying to explain to clients, this is what will take to achieve what you want, and then having them being very receptive of our ideas and our recommendations as professionals.